So this radio makes quite a loud noise when I power it up. So right now it's on, let's just turn it off. And if I power it up, makes just a pop noise right into the speaker, and it makes it every time. So right now it's off. If I power it on, again. And that happens with the speaker off. If I turn down the volume completely, it still does it. So let's try it again. It's quite... Right now I'm just pressing power on. It's quite loud. I don't know if this may damage some electronic components inside or not. Let's watch.